Alright guys, today I'm in Marina Del Rey. It's very close to LAX, and let's take a look at how it looks like. Here we have the National Coast Guard over there, and this is where we begin, Marina Del Rey. Today is Wednesday. It's approximately 4 p.m. and this is how it looks like. See, I love these places right next to the water where you can eat something or drink something and enjoy the view over here. Oh yeah, they have a couple of sea lions here. We just did a kayak tour and we just swam past a couple of sea lions. There's a couple of fishermen looking for fish, and here you can see another sea lion. Yes, we swam past them very close, and I wasn't sure if they are dangerous or if they can attack you, but yeah, you will see them all over the place at Marina Del Rey. There's one that just jumped into the water over there. I think he's coming up. Oh yeah. What's he doing? Let's see if we can catch him. Oh, there's another one, see? Yeah. What is he doing? Does he want to come up? See, this one is big. Yeah. So he swam beneath and came back up from over there. It's a very common sight here in Marina Del Rey. These, yeah, they look like cruise ships. Yeah, because you do have a lot of private yachts here, but these are cruise ships, city cruises. And the other one over here, water bus, entertainer. This one has a lot of space in there. And what do we have here? This looks like the place where people just come in and relax. It's the Fisherman's Village. That is the name. It's quite cozy here. They have an Italian restaurant called Savoy. There. Yeah, we have two doggies. Oh, this is a place where you can rent out a kayak or a jet ski, I think even a boat. Prices are very reasonable. We just had 3 single kayaks for 90 minutes and I just paid around $74. As you can see, they put them both here next to each other, and then They let people into the water. There's another thing that people do. They just get on the board and paddle on it. Probably gotta get their balance right if you do that. It's a very good exercise and it's a lot of fun, I can tell you. It looks like we have someone here preparing his yacht. He's getting ready to sail out into the sea. Yeah, I think I don't have a lot of experience in that, but I'm sure it takes a lot of preparation before you can even get out into the water. Here we are on the other side of Fisherman's Village.
Go back, just want to check it out. The lot that says lot 52, it's the only big parking lot on that side of the street. There's nothing on this side, obviously. Because on that side, you see that big, you go all the way to the back.
Alright guys, this was parts of Marina Del Rey. I gotta tell you, it does have those beach dock vibes to it. So it's a great feeling coming here if you want to get away from the city. You have fishermen, you have kayaks, you have jet skis, and you have people just taking a break from life, I guess. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.